Hinigasngi ya ka welcome arch ne ka khilon pediang buromi ki pat ba shaka East Janta Hills District hat to bear church re la ple ya ka do mintri ka sarkar jilla ba pe ya ka social welfare ukir menchilla ringkat ka jinga don lang u MLA ka mau plang u Eugene Sen Lingdo ha ka jinga lang la don lang u SS Imle DC ka East Janta Hills u SP u JS Dhanwa u Krok so YH Nong u Ramlang ku Lamare director ka Star Cement Limited yakani ka khilon lashna da ka star cement ringkat ka sarkar hapo ka PPP mode ha ka jinglot ka balai pholak but na ka daw ka jingwan ka khlam COVID-19 la shimpor ban pendep hadu lai snap USSM le u ong bakani kamut ya upot ka is but West Janta Henry kum ka dak pan pediang ye ki pat ba sha East Janta Hills but ru ban sa kan mau da ka bakan turu ye ki pat ba ban sumar
request again and again. I've been requesting from time to time and you have done it. And now also I would like to place request in front of you all. In future too, we need so many kinds of development, especially as you have been mentioned that you will try to approach even those tourism areas also, which we have a lot of tourist place, tourist spot which we can promote it. So I would like to request and I believe that through your help we can promote this place where looking at this is really very beautiful. So, and one more request also, I would like to request Star Cement, maybe all the cement plant to you. If you can kindly make another one, which we can not in this, especially in the entrance of this Meghalaya, East Janta Hills. So if you can kindly put it in your CSR or maybe in the part where you can have one more, that people will come to know that this is the end or this is the start of the East Janta Hills. So here I would like to add a few words and maybe in Jatia. They will play people rock man big man pa. Sampai ong negas ni yo i Germany. Kamu do ong wehet sinong ong em kita kijing arketem jong pi. Boy arketem pi. Kanito ong to wo ong ibu itu put usam yung boundary jong i. Andre kamu kelambiang ki wehet persatu i. Kanito yo penyusup. At we open tip cigi berula waki East Janta heni to ki area yang ka. Im yi chna yo ni upod mo kamong kamtam ya gani ga kelon lani ubu I hat how yang ka West Janta Hills ni ba ile I wachna dani te da ubu I welcome to East Janta Hills. Lari to ka West Janta Hills wachna uto ki welcome to West Janta Hills. Dani te da moy ab ganu jisnya but you put usam dadi mi klam wo is in charge. Doong pembaik no yang terput yang ke East Janta atau West Janta now work pa yang ke East Janta Hills like usa undong ni cepat. Kemem kam kelami sebut kita ini ya sampai orang le citizen go one hari ni sinong tahu ko meja kuwa ke konstitusi yang asdang dengan kita tahu. Ini kita sampai orang buat kuwa ila wo pemiat penbahaya yang ke district yang I dadu ke entrance di 12 sia support yang ke East Janta Hills. Sedang juga punya penghani hak joong di ladi miat daga luti mo go sia support ke expectation ni diberi nang hai go hak on di miat ka support na yo miat itu tu kini ke sistang pat tu support la miat di kam jo ini te dau wa ji krek lang yang pigi pai pa upon walang dewe krek I sindong I risumari ya gani yo man go ne yo chukri la pat yo pun yo po yo pen tam yagi pai pa go wan na gani wan gi sinong gi thau che gani thau ko yong I kemudian jiklam yang ngah di kecam itu ngah senang kata cang nak jam, aku beli biorok kiman be kiman pa, pun kan royong di senang rumaya.
Local director of Kasban, Wahid Chong, and all the people here in Vidya. In fact, it is a proud moment for all of us today. We could manage to inaugurate this welcome arch. It is a very beautiful and very important monument, especially for people of East Janta Hills. The main purpose of this welcome arch is we are making this welcome arch just for the purpose of for the people, especially for outsiders who travel from this place, from our district. The moment they enter here, they know that we are entering the East Janta Hills. May I allow to speak in our people over friends. Kamu ong mahit nong kate ka wa nikong wa jini akan dikatahu tok gobek untuk buat apa dia yang izin dia izin hills. Kalau ada kenu bila katai kau emang katai kok betul. Buat is hasil so izin hills kok showa. Deh katai le jui hai kau bek yang wa kami dah ya kayak di Yusuf Liu bertempat siap kok sini. Kani to ka por tua sia sorongi i kam ki opek yo pelai ke distrik sa komen subut wadi yo pendep yo welcome arch to welcome arch untuk yung distribution to yung statement dari yung distrik di Brakwi hantam itri to hi ber so sri inopek yo ni monument ini yung welcome arch to hi ber so sri de sa to i kam ini jat jinsna lekat ya kinong fungsong kuber wo pet wo yu wa tau em gibru wa dosman itu dan dang dek reklami wo hesong wa kita ki statue tau sna kinja grill wo like bru le dosman ki ile isman i gani ga innovation wa dang em tai house ka jap kudap lo i de man tetap lo tai man motor le tetap iyo ya kan ga welcome match dalam Islami de daw em di bu dua le kanto kami em safu ni kita daw ikau le smart di kita operation de kerpat ini nong song ini khamsam lada emat di sama tu di situ ni road ini benar yang mana sok dekat ha de play di tahu ini usai ini welcome match kami juga play assessment. Untuk istimewa itu kita nak